So there are some basic things we have to understand when it comes to integration by parts. What are those things? So from here onwards, you should understand that the x-axis stands for cosine, the y-axis stands for sine, and then this one becomes a negative, and then this one becomes a negative sign, like that. So please, we have to understand these things. What am I trying to say? I'm saying when it comes to calculus, first of all, we have to understand how these things behave. I'm saying when I'm going clockwise, I'm moving clockwise. So this clockwise is dy dx. What it means is, for example, when I say find dy dx of sine x. Find dy dx of sine x. Just have to come here and what sine x. What is it going to be? Sine x dy dx is equal to cos x. It means I come here from there to there. So now, when I come this side, when I'm going anti-clockwise, this is what we call integration. So the anti-clockwise is integration. So this is the very, very important thing you should understand. I'm saying, when we have said, can you integrate sine x dx? So sine x dx, from there and clockwise, I'm going to have negative cos x plus c. So this is how we normally integrate. I thought of us doing this. Now for today we are going to look at integration by parts. What it means is, for example, if they say, can you integrate? I know that integrate by parts means this dv is the same as uv minus the integral v to u. So this is how it goes. So for example, if they say, Angel, can you integrate x, e, x like that? Can you integrate that one? So you should understand that between the two, you are free to choose which one should be your u. So in my case, my u is equal to x, while my dv in this case, I'm talking about e to the power, x. So this one here, I'll be integrating, here I'll be differentiating. So I'll find du dx. So du dx of this is 1. While this one, when I integrate it, it will come v is equal to e to the power x, because what does it mean? It means that the integral of ex dx is the same as ex plus c. This is what you should understand, because this number is constant, or should I say, it is not constant, but it is radical. It will remain the same. So this is the thing which is there. So now, how do we integrate? We just have to substitute it here. Say, okay, the integral of x e to the power x dx is equal to, my u is x. I can see my u is this x. My v is ex minus, because of this, then the integral of v. So my integral of v, what is my v? My v is ex dx. It is this one. So that I'm going to have a expression like ex to the power that minus ex plus c. So I have to take out the e. The ex comes out, I'll remain with e minus that. So x minus 1 plus c, it means we have integrated. So this is how we integrate when it comes to integrate. However, I don't like this method. So that's why I'm thinking today, let's go integration by beds in linear group. Why it is that which they have told us how when it comes to integration. So I'm going to integrate the same using beds method. So this method goes like this. When they tell me to say, Angel, integrate to the power x dx, One thing you should understand is that I'm going to have my u, I'm going to have my dv, as I told you. But here I'll put x, here I'll put e. I'll put e like this, e to the power x. Here I differentiate. When I differentiate this one, du of x, it is 1. When I differentiate this one, becomes a 0. This one, when I integrate it, it is the same. Integrated, it is the same. So now it goes like this. This one, don't let it not be affected. This is joined to that one. This one is joined to that one, and this one goes like this. So this is a positive, this is a negative. So what does it mean? You are multiplying. So you are just saying x times e. Mind you, there is a positive. We are going to have positive x e x minus. Why minus? 1 times, there is a negative here, times this, it will be e x plus c. It means you have it. You can see, instead of us going like that, this is the shortest way of answering it. Therefore, how do you get this one? You say x, it comes out, mind you, ex comes out, and I'm going to remain with x minus 1 plus c. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have enjoyed this method. We are saying, how do we integrate this one? Integrating by parts. I love this one. So I want to look at the second one, so that for today's lesson, and I thought of just posting this so that at least we teach one another. Thank you so much. I love you. Take care. Thank you. Thank you so much. Welcome back. I hope you are now going to enjoy this one. Integration by parts. I know for sure that this one goes like u, of course, uv minus the integral of v du. But we are not going to use this method. But instead, what are we going to do? So, okay, my u is x to the power 2. Then my dv in this case is sine x. Here I left the x. So sine x is my dv. So sine x like this. Here I will be integrating there. So here when you do this, it becomes like that. When I do that, it becomes like that. Mind you, I'm differentiating. I'm just differentiating. What is du dx of x squared? 2x. Du dx of this 2x is 2. This one is 0. So now I'm integrating. You remember what I told you? I'm here at sine. Here becomes negative. Here becomes negative cos x. From here, it comes to negative sine x. Then from there, it comes to cos x. So you can see what I was teaching you, you are now rotating. And clockwise means you are integrating. So from there, you do the justice. This comes there, this comes there, this comes there, the last comes like this. This is positive, negative, positive, negative. What does it mean? You are now saying equals to, we are trying now to integrate this. We are saying, how do we integrate the integral of sine x squared sine x dx? How do we integrate? You just multiply, this one becomes negative x squared cos x. This and that, mind you, there is a negative here, this and that, there is a negative, but this and that, there is a positive. There is a positive times negative, positive. So I have positive 2x sine x. I hope you understand, ladies and gentlemen. Because, and then this one and that one becomes plus 2 cos x. Remember, this times that it is 0, which means it is a constant. So 0 is a constant. So when you are there, you can now group them. How do we group them? So we do them there. I can say cos 2x and this. So it means it is as good as saying this, the integral of sine x squared, the integral of x squared sine x dx is the same as the 2 cos x, this is the cos x, which is here, minus x squared cos x, mind you. Then there is this one plus 2x sine, is it sine? Yes, sine x plus c. Then in this one, I will take out cos x. Cos x comes out, I will have cos x bracket 2 minus, remember, x squared bracket, because the cos x is out, plus 2x sine x plus c. So ladies and gentlemen, it means this is our final answer. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you so much. God bless you. I love you. Please, we are going to open the channel to do with advanced mathematics, those who are at university and so forth, so that we learn. So there are those methods which we try by means to amend. We can amend where it is possible. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. I love you. Thank you.